I was standing here, and I was just printing some cat shelves, because I have these really adorable kittens. And I'm watching my 3D printer go do its thing. And I'm thinking to myself, like, damn, this thing can manufacture things. I live in a country where we don't manufacture anything, but yet I have this thing right here, and it can fucking make things. And, you know, since the years I've owned this, I'm not like an expert in 3D printing. I've been a hobbyist. I've had it for 2 years now. And between the 3D printer and the little 3D printing pen, this little guy right here, between this guy and that, I pretty much, this is the extent of my architecture. You know, I have things to hold my spools. Anyone who's like professional is probably ripping their hair off. And yeah, fuck you. Anyway, there's a lot of things happening to the 3D printer market. You know, I don't print anything really extraordinary. Like I said, I'm making a cat shelf. And there's a lot of laws coming out, or not coming out, but like, I don't think they've gone through as far as I know, but it feels like there's a war against 3D printing and manufacturing. And I know it's largely against, you know, firearms and whatnot, and that extends into CNC machinery. But, you know, that sounds like a slippery slope to me. And given how this world runs, that concerns me, because a lot of the pathways with regulating 3D printing is, okay, yeah, now you can't make, you know, firearm parts. Oh, damn, you can't make grips, whatever the fuck. But that just leads into, oh, now I can't print a Spider-Man mask. Oh, no, you have to pay for that because that's a licensed STL file. This is where all this leads to. The second you have to pay to, pay for there's STL files that you can pay, but you largely seek those out. That exists. I get that. But if you have to pay for, like, this cat shelf I'm printing, if I have to pay for this cat shelf, like, oh, it's an IKEA, branded STL, it's $4 a print. Dude, if that happens, I'm telling you right now, as a guy I'm as mediocre as you can get, entry level, and I have that mindset of, I'm not going to fucking pay $3 to print a fucking Mickey Mouse. Are you fucking kidding me? Hell no, it's going to kill the whole industry. And why is that? Why is that? I'm not trying to get conspiratorial. Not trying to get angry. I'm just trying to understand what's happening here. As I stated in the beginning of this video, what is this doing? Right here, what is this thing doing? Right here, what's this guy doing? What's he doing? It's manufacturing something. We live in a country where we don't manufacture anything. And the one fucking thing that we do have that makes anything is 3D printing. And it seems to me that there's laws coming down the pipeline. They're fighting actively. Right now, there's nothing. So for now, everything is okay. But really, if you don't think, think about, oh my God. Okay, think about Netflix, Circuit 2010. Netflix was dope. Dude, it was so good. It worked good. None of that auto playing of the it was so good. And what happened? Go turn it on right now. Come back. For the rest of you watching. As this is right now, This feels like Netflix 2010. And if the second there's commercials, ooh, that's not looking good. Damn it. No. We're gonna have to cancel that. Having like an advertisement on the home screen, I could see that happening. That was so easy. Oh, watch a Coca-Cola ad before you print your goddamn print. Oh, yeah, thanks. Thanks a lot, bro. Man. Yeah, we'll let it go. We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. Okay, I'm gonna let it go. Okay. Why is this a big deal? This is a manufacturing device. Okay, stay with me. It's a manufacturing device where you can make fucking basic shit. I mean, bowls. I mean, I wouldn't eat out of the bowls, but you can make a bowl, a fork, a spoon. Again, I wouldn't use it for that, but you can make a fork if you wanted. A hair comb, more usable. Again, microplastics in the hair and stuff. I wouldn't do it. But this is one thing that should not largely be regulated. For God's sakes, we live in the United States of America. And in the United States of America, we have freedom of speech by God. You can say whatever you want. There's consequences. You might be socially ostracized for saying certain things. So be it. It's the United States. So fuck you. Secondly, Second Amendment. The right to bear arms. Now, full disclaimer. I don't print anything. I don't print any firearm related items. I'm too paranoid for that. Way too paranoid. But I don't think you should be allowed not to. At all. If you're printing grips, if you're printing grips, I mean, okay, put this in fucking perspective. Okay. Our government snatched Maduro from his fucking base, from his fucking hardcore, heavily fortified. I mean, think about the dudes. Think about the guys. If you were Maduro, what kind of dudes would you hire to protect you? You hire the most badass motherfuckers you can get your hands on. That's probably what he did. And you would grab the most advanced security systems that you could fucking get your hands on. Because, what the fuck? You don't know what's going to happen. The United States, we flew in there with 8 helicopters, 20 dudes, and a discombobulator. With those 3 things, the helicopters, the 20 dudes, and a discombobulator, they got Maduro in like 20 minutes. They didn't lose a single piece. They didn't lose shit. They didn't lose a single fucking magazine. That's how clean it was. Our government has a discombobulator, and our politicians, whoever the fuck runs your fucking city, some way, in some fashion, and wherever, they want to pass laws to limit 3D printing. Okay. They have a discombobulator. They can fucking shock a whole neighborhood and put you down to take out one person. They could, the Star Wars level shit that the government has is so bonkers that the Second Amendment, it's almost obsolete when you think about it. If the government, have you sat down and ate a bowl of Cheerios and really thought about what a discombobulator is? I mean, really. It's some Star Wars level shit. And you could, a whole group of shit. And we can't, as a people, we can't have unregulated 3D printing capabilities? Are you fucking kidding me? It's just too much. Is it funny? Do you fucking laugh at it? Do you fucking laugh at the fact that our government has a discombobulator that can fit on the fucking, think about it. You think discombobulator, it's probably fucking big, man. It's probably huge. Dude, it fit on the fucking helicopter. Okay, if they sent 6, 7, 8 helicopters in, whatever, one of those helicopters had the discombobulator on it. He's probably riding on there like in Metal Gear Solid 3. Well, what's his name? Fucking on there. Shocking the whole place. Oh my God, Lady Luck from Metal Gear Solid 2. That's what they fucking sent in there. You know what I mean? They're all shooting at the bitch and the bullets ain't hitting her. We never seen anything like it. That's what we have. That's literally what the government has is Metal Gear Solid tech. And our politicians are whoever they the people who get paid more than us, who live in fucking nice mansions or nice properties and probably have dope mortgages, you know, these people who in government, or whoever the hell they are, or whatever. Knock this shit over here. The point is, if the government has a discombobulator, we should not have regulated 3D printers. Does that make fucking sense to you? If the government has a device that makes 15 dudes, 15 elite motherfuckers, you think you and your airsoft group of dudes who fucking LARP out there, even if you're the best, even if you were, even if you had thermal tech, you, every fucking tactic available, everything. The government has shit that can simply wipe you out with some mid-tier dude with minimal training on that device. He just shows up with a lollipop in his mouth and fucking smacks the shit out of you. Okay? Does that make, do you get the picture? With that being said, we have to draw a fucking line. And that line is, no, you're not regulating the 3D printers. Hell fucking no. Are you kidding me? Are you fucking kidding me? No, I'm not, it's like, it's the most it's so bonkers. You know what I mean? It's so bonkers to think that we as a population have just went, you know what? Fuck it. Fuck it. Fuck it, just regulate everything. Fuck, I'm gonna Uber Eats my goddamn lunch. I'm gonna fucking eat my Oreo milkshake on my couch and watch fucking conspiracy theory videos about fucking elites eating babies. But the beautiful part, the people that eat the babies get to write the rules. And the rules are looking like your 3D printing capabilities are going to be limited here in the near future. You think you think it stops? Hey, go try to buy a fucking drone. Go right now and go buy a Nevada 2. Okay? Go pay fucking $13, $14 for a Nevada 2. Any drone enthusiasts out there? Hi. How much did your Avata 2 cost? You know how much mine cost? With the whole kit? Like $600, $699, like $650, I don't even know, it's $600. And now it's $15. So if you're a drone enthusiast, you already know because it's happening to your industry, okay? Your industry is getting so rammed, no one's even talking about that. I mean, people are talking about it, but when you go to work, where you go to wherever your boss don't give a shit about drones. He's too busy making sure you fucking stock the shelf, bitch. Bitch! That's what we, it's what we are. That's a code, we're just accepting it. Hey, go buy a graphics card too while you're at it. Hey, I'll 3D print you one. Ah, shit. You know, I can't 3D print you one. At least the frame of it, you know what I mean? Because, you know, NVIDIA licensed the frame. Anyway, bad example. Okay, sorry. Got all worked up that I'm on a strict print schedule. So, let me get this up here. So, let me get some closing thoughts here. I know I rambled a bit, but I don't give a shit. The world's fucking ending anyway. So, Call your local fucking congressperson. Even if your state has no active aggression towards 3D printing, call them like they are. Just get ahead of the game, okay? Because those interns or whoever the fuck works there, you're like, God fucking damn it, there's a lot of call. Hey, do we have any bills going on with 3? No, we don't. Well, they keep calling like we do. That's how annoying we have to be. We have to make it so obvious that, hey, I don't want you fucking with my 3D printing shit because you have a discombobulator. Your governor doesn't have it, but their boss's boss has a discombobulator that could. I just can't move past it. It's. We're so cooked. We're so cooked. The attitude's all wrong. The attitude's all wrong. No one gets like. I mean, look, people get it, and I'm being a little theatrical here, and people get it. But brother, if you are sitting here and you get it, guess what, man? There ain't enough of us to make a goddamn difference. That's simply not. There's not enough good men. Okay, hate to break the news to you. I'm a millennial. I'm fucking 37 years old, I think, something like that. Yeah, I can tell you firsthand that there is not enough good men. What does that mean? What's a good man? I have no fucking idea. You just know it when you say it. You know what I mean? Shit. Anyway, I don't even know what I'm trying to say. I'm bent out of shape. I paid a lot of money for this goddamn printer. I swear to God, if it gets regulated, oh my God. And the government gets a discombobulator. Discombobulator. I have I have a 3M mask. 15 spools of plastic. Expired film in my mini fridge. A VR headset. And a 3D printer pen doodler. You know, in Star Wars, at least the rebellion had fucking Jedis. They had Jedis. They got motherfuckers with force grips. And lightsabers, dude. Right now, whatever we have as a population as a whole, no matter what spectrum of fucking right, left, whatever the fuck you are, we don't got no Jedis. There ain't no hero coming to save us. There's no hero. Hey, I know you watched all those movies thinking someone's going to come save the day, but there isn't going to be someone to save the day. So what do you do? What do? Well, be fucking annoying. Call your legislative, call your fucking governor, call the county sheriff. I don't give a fuck who you call. Call them and let them know that if 3D printing gets regulated in any form or fashion, you ain't gonna fucking pay your fucking taxes. I don't know, but you let them know you're gonna be fucking pissed. Just be fucking annoying. Take the first step and just be annoying. Stop watching all these people read all the legislation. Oh, it's banned. Well, oh, no shit. No shit they were going to come for it. We have to stop waiting to stop. We have at least be annoying. They have a discombobulator. I don't. Anyone with game theory out there knows exactly what I'm feeling, how I'm feeling right now. The game theory is so out of whack right now. You know, I'm not like saying, hey, we need to start a rebellion. I've never been that kind of person. Look, I've just been in the workforce. I've just largely tried to do the right thing. Do the right thing. Just whatever the fuck that is for you, just do the right thing. Right? Call your fucking local representative and let them know how much 3D printing means to you. It's fucking cool. It's the last cool thing we got. All right. That's it.